recently made $869 in just a week doing nothing. Earn money online from Bigo Live by encashing virtual gifts. Bigo is one of the largest and most successful live streaming app in the world. It allows you to live stream your special moments, live talk with your friends, or even make video calls, all for free, guys. There is so much money to be made online. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Christine and this is Christine Trend. My channel is all about making money online, and I also give my 2 cents on products and services. That way it makes your life more easier. So if this look like a channel you love to stick around with, please consider subscribing and remember to turn on your notification button so that whenever I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you. Guys, there is so much money to be made online. It's just a matter of getting the right information. You can stay at home all day surfing the web and making so much money. On this channel, I promise only to give the best and the most realistic way of making money online. You just have to stick around, trust everything I say on this channel, and most importantly, implement it. Somewhere around this video, I will show you proof of payment, something I typically don't do. This is just to encourage you so you can get to work and start making money. Having said that, in case you don't know what Bigo Live is. Bigo Live is a popular live streaming platform with more than 400 million registered users, all live streaming themselves or watching other people's live streaming. So aside from watching live streaming, making new friends and killing boring time, you can absolutely earn as much as $5,000 monthly by simply doing what you love. Now I'll tell you how. As we proceed, well, before you get started with this app, let me give you a quick run through. On the app, we have the host, the gifter, and the agency. The hosts are people who do live streaming. As seen on the screen, these are hosts. As the host, your duty is to keep viewers engaged. Don't worry about getting viewers. Bigo has a way of notifying its user that you are live streaming. The live streaming feature is very effective. As a host, you can engage people by singing, dancing, discussing interesting topics, eating. In fact, I see some people just mixing sound and doing DJ, and they get a lot of money. So you can actually do anything or do nothing if it's entertaining. So as a host, here is how you make your money. Whenever you go online, your viewers are going to gift you, and this is how you get to make money. You also get to make money by completing daily tasks, and there are several ways to multiply your earnings. I can't possibly cover them all in this video because I intend to make it short. So comes the gifters. The gifters are most of the viewers. Most importantly, the gifters are people who give to the host, and there are several types of gifts that can be converted into real cash. Now, as the agency, you will need to pay attention to this. The agency is made up of people who will accept you or make you a host. It is nothing serious, guys. This is just a way the platform works. It is important to go live immediately after you install the Bigo Live app and register. So while you are live on the app, Bigo will notify all agencies that a newcomer is live. So these guys will come to your live and chat you up. So it is up to you to choose whichever agency you find interesting. Please note that you only have a grace period of, I think, 3 to 5 days for you to become a host. Once you miss those days, you can never be a host again, except you have to register with a new phone number or a new email address. So it is important to go live immediately and get audition. That's what's up. So while on Bigo, people are going to be talking about beans, diamond, shade, and many virtual gifts that can be converted into real cash. Don't worry, you'll get familiar with the app as you go along, and your agency will also walk you through everything you need to know to make a lot of money on this platform. Here is the interesting part. Bigo Live does have a salary structure, and there is the salary structure so that you know what is obtainable. I see people whose job is just Bigo. They don't work a 9 to 5 job. Their only source of income is coming from the Bigo Life app, and they are making a killing from it. Now, let's talk about the payout and how you get your money. But before that, please hit the subscribe and the like button if you're getting any value from this video. And please share this video on your social media pages. You just might be helping somebody, and that's what's up. So back to the payout. Bigo Life does pay at the end of every month, and you are sure to get your payments without delay. Bigo does support several payment options such as direct bank transfer, Payoneer, OPay, and many more. My payment proof for the previous month will come up shortly. But one thing I want you to understand is that there are several apps that claim to pay. But before you open for any paying app, you need to be very logical. How does this app make their money? No app will give you free money, and that is how you get to know a legit and paying app. The Bigo app make their money from several items being bought on its platform. Gifts are sold on the platform, so if you want to be a gifter, you will need to buy gifts on the app. So that is how Bigo make a lot of revenue on its platform. Now comes why I love Bigo app. Bigo is free to join, unlike other apps that makes it very stressful to get through. The app is legit and does have good reviews both on Play Store and Trustpilot. You can go check it out. The fun part is you get to meet people all around the world. You get to meet people in the USA, you get to meet people in Sierra Leone, you get to meet people all around, guys. It is fun. The app is not limited to a particular region or country, unlike some apps that is strictly for people in the USA. Most importantly, their payout option makes it easy for Africans, mostly Nigerians, to withdraw their money without much hassle. So this is my payment, guys. You can make a lot of money on this platform. And here is the tip. The more you go live, the longer you stay on live, the better your chances of getting more money. To get started, all you have to do is to go to Play Store and install the app, register and liaise with an agency to get you started immediately. You will be needing just your mobile phone and ensure your phone camera is clear. Most importantly, you will need good internet because you're always going to be streaming. So guys, let me know what you think about this app, if you will give it a try, and comment in the comment section if you want me to make more of these money making apps. There are several of them. So thank you for watching and staying to the end. I will be glad if you take action right now. So see you in my next video. Thanks for subscribing and liking my video. Bye.